Hello, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to give you some heads up about the next episode, the last episode about the Snowstorm by Alexander Pushkin. And as you see, the weather is very appropriate here right now. I've already recorded it, and I still need to edit it, but it will be ready very soon. So please stay tuned, and after that episode, I'm going to start a new series also about Russian literature, but the topic will be a little bit different. So I'm very excited about it, and I will tell you more about this. Okay, so hope to see you soon, and stay warm if you are in the cold parts of the world. Bye bye.